My name is Mark Jones. I work at Food Centre Wales, just outside Llandyssil. I'm a food technologist. So I've got a food science degree, which I gained at about 30 years old. So I'd already had sort of 10 years dairy experience before that. Food technology kind of suits me because I'm quite a creative person and I like to be practical, get my hands dirty, and it always forces you to think outside the box. So a typical day for me differs a lot. I could be doing new product development, so developing new cheeses for particular clients. It could be helping them with nutritional info on labelling of a ready meal. It could be going out and designing a new factory. It varies a lot. The best thing about my job is the creative aspect of it. Being able to develop a new thing from scratch. We work with a lot of primary products, be it milk or grain or meat in the butchery. So being able to develop a food from that farm-based resource. Best piece of advice I could give to someone looking for a career in food technology is never imagine any job is beneath you. There's a lot of sort of highlight moments, but a lot of it is basics, cleaning, tidying, and basic cooking. Alongside my job, I do a lot of cheese judging all over the UK and all over Europe at the moment as well. I've been to Norway, Italy as part of the World Cheese Awards. So that's a perk to the job. So one nerdy fact about the dairy industry, there's over 750 types of cheeses made in the UK at the moment, which is pretty amazing when you think it's all the same basic recipe, just little variations make all the difference. I love blue cheese. Full flavour is definitely the way to go.